Hello, my name is Father Vince Huber. I am the assistant pastor at Christ the King Parish in Sarasota. I've been involved in the pro-life movement a long time. I've been a priest for a little over 13 years, and of course I've had the privilege of ministering to many women who have struggled with this, or women who have had abortions in the past. And one of the things you see is that even years later, the trauma is still there. It's very difficult to overcome, very difficult for the woman to forgive herself. So yeah, it's something that I think is important for young women to see the other side of the issue. You see the side of the pain and the hurt that women experience afterwards, and the importance of obviously not pro-life is about stopping abortion. It's also about ministering to women to help them to overcome the trauma and maybe help them in order to make reparation for the particular sin that they committed, for them to get involved in the pro-life movement and be a witness to the trauma that it's caused in her own life, and help other young women hopefully to avoid that in the future. To any young woman who might be struggling with this issue, or might be struggling with a pregnancy, or with that burden, obviously in the pro-life movement, we're not here to condemn. We're not here to we're here to help. We love women. We want to, obviously we love the children. We love the women as well. We want to do everything that we can to help, whether it be through resources, through encouragement, through in any way that we can. So just a message to the young women: know that we love you, and we want your good, and we want you to. And it's actually the reason why we're in this movement, so that we can encourage women. Obviously, the hurt after the abortion isn't just the child, but it's also the woman as well, and so it's very important that we support everyone involved.